Our next Aesop fable you're bound to recognize, and you'll find out what happens when you tell too many lies. A shepherd boy was bored to tears after counting his sheep for several years.
Now everyone knows that counting sheep can easily put a man busy. He carefully watched them every day and made quite sure that none would stray.
Unlike the girl in his little Bo Peep, he dreaded the job of tending his sheep. Our shepherd boy tried to find a way to help him through his boring day.
But in his attempt to stay awake, he devised a plan that was one big mistake. But how was a shepherd boy to know that crying wolf was not the way to go?
This boring job of tending sheep has really gotten me down. It's time to play a trick on all the folks who live in town. I'll cry out wolf, 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 and they'll all come on the run. Won't that be a naughty way to really have some fun? Wolf, wolf, please come help me if you can. This wolf will gobble up my sheep if you don't lend a hand.
Ba, ba, ba. The wolf is such a glutton. The beast will come and have a feast on lamb chops and on mutton.
Brave shepherd boy, we heard the cry and came to save the day. Where is the wolf who scared the sheep? Did he just run away?
I played a joke on you. I cried out wolf to have some fun and see what you would do.
I joked, and to think that we came running all this way. Don't ever try that stunter again, or there'll be a price to pay.
Some days had passed and all was well. The cows were in the meadow, the sheep were in the dell, but it wasn't long before our shepherd friend decided to play that nasty trick again.
Tending sheep is such a bore. I think I'll cry out wolf once more. Wolf, wolf, please come now. He may eat my sheep. He may eat your cow.
Brave shepherd boy, we're here, don't fear. We've come to save the sheep, but if you told another lie, you'll be in trouble deep.
You're all a bunch of silly fools who run when you hear crying. So go back. There's no wolf here, so go back home, because I was only lying.
Lying. You know what you have done? Telling lies is not a joke, I know a way to have fun. There will come a day when you'll need help and not know what to do. But since you lied so many times, don't call us, we'll call you.
Baba, I'm very brave. No wolf can frighten me. I'll huff and puff and strut my stuff. Yes, that's how it will be.
As the villagers stormed off in a hush, it was pretty clear to see that they had had enough. And as they predicted, it wouldn't be very long before that foolish shepherd boy would sing a different song.
I've come to have my fun. I'm here to take your sheep away, there's no place to run.
A wolf, this time my cry is real. If you don't come here right away, my sheep he'll surely steal.
His mournful cry was heard by all, but the town folks did not budge. It sounded like another lie, as far as they can judge. Now let's bring our good friend Aesop with the moral to the tale. He'll be glad to demonstrate the truth shall prevail.
If you're known to tell lies every single day, then when you speak the truth, no one will believe a word you say.